it's your girl Coco Nicole, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing my Telfar bag collection. Everybody is talking about Telfar. It is the new it bag. Beyonce has one, Solange has one. Pretty much everybody has one. And guess what? They're affordable luxury bags. So I'm going to be showing you guys my little collection that I have built up so far. Plus, I'm going to be showing my newest addition to the family. So I'm going to be unboxing my newest bag on camera. And I went ahead and put the timestamps down below. So if you just want to skip to the unboxing, you can go ahead and do that. Without further ado, I'm going to get into bag number one. And I'm just going to talk just briefly about the company. Telfar is a unisex brand started by Telfar Clemens in 2005. He makes shopping bags, duffel bags, and other types of accessories and clothing. His brand stands for inclusivity, so males or females can enjoy his products. So this is my first baby. This is the Telfar UGG collection bag. This is the gray fleece one. And then I got this maybe like late last year. I really like the gray because I feel like it can go with a lot of things. It's a neutral color, so it goes perfectly with like my gray sweats, or it goes great with like a sweater, jeans, black, white, anything like that. It's got the UGG Telfar logo on the back right here. And then all of the bags, they look basically the same in the inside. This one, it has the UGG Telfar logo in it. So on to bag number two. Oh yeah, and they all come in their own like cute dust bag, as you have seen with the UGG one. So bag number two, it is Cobalt. I just love the metallic finish on this one, and I love rocking it with like baby blue. It looks great with blue jeans. And this one is probably one of my favorites. I don't know if I have a favorite yet. I feel like all of them are my favorites. And then they all look the same on the inside. The UGG one was a little bit different because it had like the UGG Telfar little stamp in the inside. This one just has like this little fake pocket thing that's in all of the Telfar bags. I'll show you guys what all fits real quick. So that's my cell phone. That's an iPhone 13. This is a hand sanitizer. This is a card holder. And then this is like my little key holder thing. It has like my key fob and keys in it. Yeah, I got all of this stuff in here, and let me see if it snaps shut. So yeah, with all of that stuff in there, it does snap shut. I don't think too much more than that will fit in. On to number three, Telfeezy. I got red. So this was a gift from the hubby. It was kind of like a surprise gift for Valentine's Day. This is a beautiful, beautiful red, and it just adds like that pop of color to outfits. So I would rock this with maybe like a cheetah print, all black. If I want a color block, if I'm wearing like something blue or something yellow, I would rock this purse. I think I've only worn it one time, but it's a beautiful, beautiful red. So if you love red, I would recommend this one. Bag number four, I'm actually carrying her right now, and guess what? It's a medium. It's my very first medium. So I got lavender for my birthday, and then this is a big girl. It is pretty big to me. Like, I can't imagine myself getting like a large. Like, I've worn it to like work and put like work stuff in here, and that thing was pulling me. It was pretty heavy. In other videos that I watched, people show how they definitely could fit like their laptops in here. So yeah, just know that like if you do have one, it will fit. I've been using this insert because it helps keep the shape. Over time, the bag will sag. If you don't have like a bag insert in there, it will sag. You can get these from Shein or Amazon. And I'll go ahead and show you guys the inside of my purple. The inside is like a slightly darker shade of purple, which I really do like. And then the mediums actually have a zipper and a pocket in it. So the smalls don't, but the medium does have a zipper in it. I just want to show y'all real quick where the bags hit on me. So this is a medium, and it hits me right at like the lower thigh area, and I'm like 5'3", 5'2.5" to be exact. And then this is a small bag, and it hits me like right at like the hip. And this is just a little size comparison for you guys. So the small is like maybe like 1/4 of the medium. And yeah, I've been carrying this bag for like a month straight, and it is doing completely fine. I think I got like a few stains on it. I don't know if you guys can see, but they said that the line is supposed to come out like with wear, so we will see on that. It's a really well made bag. I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but all of the bags are vegan leather, so they are cruelty free. They are not real leather, they're fake leather. The handles look completely fine. The threading, everything is like brand new, and I've been carrying it for probably like over like a month now. Also came in a dust bag just like the smalls, but this is the one that fits for the medium. Now we're finally at the unboxing. Yes, this is Telfar number 5, and I think this is it. Like, I know that this is it for me for this year. I'm done this year. Next year, I don't know, maybe a medium black, I don't know, but I'm definitely done this year. Your girl is closing up shop. But anyway, here goes nothing. And this one came out June 3rd, and then I think I got it on like, I don't think I want to say that I got it on Thursday. So what was Thursday? Like the 9th. So I got it in like 6 days. Okay, and then they all come in this plastic bag just like this, and it says small blank shopping bag. And I don't, some people keep these, I don't, in the other videos that I watch. And as you can see, I got another small boy, and it is, oh, the orange. I mean, I know that I ordered the orange, but it is so pretty. I love it. It is a beautiful, beautiful bright orange. So I've been wanting this color. This is my #1 color that I had always wanted, and I was like, when are they gonna come out with it? When are they gonna come out with it? Because I think the last time they came out with it was like April 2021, and then it took them like forever. I'm like, are they ever gonna put it out? And then they finally put it out June 3rd, 2022. And oh my god, I just love it. Orange is definitely one of my favorite colors, and I feel like they dropped it just right in time for summer. And I was debating, I'm like, do I want the small or do I want the medium? But I decided on the small because a lot of the outfits that I plan on wearing it with, I feel like the small would look better. I mean, I love it so much. Like, I would get the medium too, but I'm definitely not going to. But that's how much I love this color. It is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then this is what it looks like next to the red. These are so cute, y'all. This is probably, remember earlier I said I didn't have a favorite? Yeah, this is definitely my favorite. This, and I don't know, but this one is probably one of my favorites. I've been anticipating it for so long. Yeah, they drop a different color every single week, so you have to be sure to follow them on Instagram and sign up for their mailing list, because they will give you a heads up before they drop. They usually drop at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and so just be sure like to set like an alarm. If if you're busy or whatnot, make sure to set an alarm, make an account, and put like your address information in ahead of time, so that it'll make like the checkout process more easier. They also have Klarna Pay in 4, so you can pay your bag off in 4 installments if you don't want to pay it in full at the point of purchase. And yeah, I haven't taken an L yet. I think that Telfar, he said like when he was on a Breakfast Club that they have increased like their inventory, so their bags don't sell out as quick as they used to. But I've all like every time that I have bought one, this is like the second one that I've bought, I was definitely on there at 12 o'clock as soon as they said it was a drop. So, and then like I said, I haven't taken that L yet. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below, what was your favorite color? Do you like the small or do you like the medium better? Let me know down below. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, so that you can get locked in and you can see my new content that I come out with. And until next time, y'all, take care.